mother lived long enough to see the novels, to see her grandson be a neurologist, not just a doctor. I mean, not just see him graduate from medical school, but to become a neurologist, to become professor of neurology in Rochester Medical School. And my husband was no sloucher. He got some Grammys. I had a fascinating life. Oscar played in the White House. I'm looking back. I have wonderful memories.
But so your family is continuing
My
on. Hitler did
not win. I consider my bonus grandchildren my grandchildren. I have 7 grandchildren, all of them successful. I love this one. This is Oscar with his first grandchild. Reading goodnight stories. Of course, he's now 23 and working for Google.